Hi, good morning. I am Teacher Nila. I am an early childhood educator here in Canada, and I love teaching early learners and toddlers. What is your name? Nova. That's a good name. And Nova, how are you today, Nova? Are you happy or sad? Happy? Wow, good job, Nova. You are happy and I am happy too. Now, I want to ask you, how old is Nova? Nova is 4 years old. Yes, Nova is 4 years old. And Nova, now we need to learn, or we need to read I can. So, what can you see, Nova? Yes, I can see a rabbit. And the rabbit's name is Charlie. And my rabbit name is Charlie too. Yes. Yeah, good job, Nova. What else can you see, Nova? I can see an elephant. Yes. And the elephant's name is Autumn. Good job. Good job, Nova. With that, you have a... What's the color of this one, Nova? Blue star. Good job, Nova. Now, let's learn a new word, a vocabulary word. Dance. Dance. I can dance. Can Nova dance? I can dance. Good job. So, can we dance? Show me, Nova, how you dance. Show me. Good job, Nova. You can dance. And stand on... What I can see? Stand on one leg. Can Nova stand on one leg? I can stand on one leg. Yes, good job. Can you show me? Can you show teacher how to stand on one leg? Good job, Nova. Good job. And with that one, I'm gonna give you a green star. Good job, Nova. And jump rope, jump rope, jump rope. Can Nova jump a rope? Can you show it to me, Nova? Good job, Nova. Good job. And I know I'm gonna give you a pink star. Good job, Nova. Dance. Dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. And Nova, can you see him with one leg? This, what you call this one, Nova? This teddy bear can stand with one leg. Can you stand with one leg? Oh, yes, good job. You're doing a great job, Nova. And I'm gonna give you lots of stars. Yellow, blue, green, and pink. So, have a great day, Nova. See you again tomorrow. You did a very good job. Bye.